nothing and everything. That's what I think about when I build my trails. Where's the person with the camera going to be? How's the truck going to look when it goes down this hill or up that climb? How will our scale models look compared to the real thing on camera and video? It takes about 6 months, several thousand emails, hundreds and hundreds of private message, instant messages, inboxes constantly full, pruning trees, removing debris, weed eaters, blowers, chainsaws. For 2 months, I spend 5 days a week here, like my second home, for 3 days. 3 days worth of fun, smiles, laughter, kids, dads, moms.
This is what USTE is all about. These are the best of the best builders for scale modelers, and they end up on this. They have done something that's incredible. We had, a little low this year due to rain, 350 trucks, but the trucks that actually are on the table this year are top shelf trucks. Really, really nice in one car. We're going to have a new category next year.
number 523, number 199.
all that hard work, the dedication, the months and months and months of labor. Give us a few words on the way out.
Holy cow. So this year was epic. Everybody that was here said this hands down was the best event they've ever been to. Seasoned RC people that I think very highly of said this year was just off the chain. We had 591 registered people with us. Those are people that came to play with their dollhouse trucks. We had probably another 40 or so people that come over from the gardens next door to see what the heck we're doing over here. And some of those people buy trucks. Families come over. They come out for the weekends, enjoy the gardens, and they wonder what we're doing. They go visit the hobby shop that used to be over there that is now gone, and they buy new trucks. They're like, this is the coolest thing ever. So I am pumped. We had a great time. I'm also completely exhausted. My feet hurt, and I'm ready to sit down somewhere.
Go take that well-deserved break, man. Great job.